Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium, and the compression ring is now sitting right at the halfway mark. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting at the Lateral, where two brand new escalators have just been delivered and unloaded near the corner, adding to the units that arrived earlier this week. The most advanced diamond in this zone is now fully prepped for its next concrete pour, with formwork panels locked in across several walls and rebar cages already placed for the next level of pillars. The concrete pump is staged and ready, with the mixer truck expected later today to finish the job. The second diamond here has made a big jump too. Shoring beams are now going in above the formed columns, setting up for the alveolar floor slab panels that will follow, just like the sequence already completed on the lead diamond. The third diamond, still catching up, is also progressing, with rebar work now visible at the top section ahead of its own formwork phase. Now to the headline update at South Goal. A brand new radial beam has been installed, and crews are preparing a new phalange box to complete the connection, pushing the compression ring right up to the 50% mark. A new suction lifter is also being used for the first time to install sandwich panels here, replacing the 3 or 4 workers it used to take to muscle each panel into place by hand. Anchor bolt alignment continues nearby too, with crews tightening bolts that weren't fully seated, prepping this section for louver installation in the coming days. Over at North Goal, a new radial beam has also landed, with its support pillar already locked in and the crane slings just released after the lift. The diamond wall in this corner keeps climbing fast too, with rebar now visible across the floor panels at the top section, a big jump from just a few days ago. Louver installation is accelerating in the middle of North Goal as well, with a wide stretch of the false ceiling now fully covered. Guide rails for aligning the next batch of anchor bolts are also going in nearby, prepping the next section for louvers once this stretch wraps up. At the corner near Tribuna, every anchor bolt in this sector is now fully installed, with crews finishing up detail work on the rear side of one beam. Some early surface cleaning has also started here, which often signals painting work is coming next. Over at Tribuna, compression ring components including falsework pillars are now being staged in this zone, ahead of an expected handover to the tower crane here once North Goal's ring work wraps up. Louver bracket support work continues too, with crews applying anti-corrosion coating to several brackets. Sandwich panel installation is ongoing, though one panel did take a minor knock during placement. So, to wrap up, South Goal stole the show today, crossing the halfway point on the compression ring while debuting a new suction tool for sandwich panels. The Lateral wasn't far behind either, with 2 new escalators arriving and its lead diamond just hours from another concrete pour. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça!